Hey everybody, it's me Wolfs here, and in today's video, playing Animal Jam because Animal Jam is amazing. So welcome to my very first actual video on my channel. And today I thought we'd be trading, and also this is not going to be any regular trading. It's actually going to be really cool because I want to show you guys how to get betas from small rares, which everybody wants. So you want to go to your look over here, go to your trade list, like that, and find a bad item on your list, in here. Put it on trade. So I don't want this jam with a police hat. So now what we're gonna do is go anywhere in Gemma. I think either Coral Canyons or, who has rare long wrist. I do not, and I never will. Okay, so go to some place and just dance or something like that. Just do whatever, and then say something like, in all caps, most likely, trade me. I'm doing a challenge. Yeah. Wish I had free chat. By the way, I'm recording. Okay, there we go. Just wait for somebody to respond to your message. So, yeah. Okay, just a second ago we got this trade and I accepted. It's a rare, so that's pretty cool. And, put it on trade. And also, after everybody trades you and you accept, say thank you, because it's nice and polite to say thank you. There's the jammer. Here, right here. Thank you. Okay, oh, no, don't run away. Thank you. Is he gonna answer me? Oh, yeah. Okay, guys. Shout out to everybody who does trade me and accepts. So, shout out to Auntie1, and I can't even say that. Annie T, and okay. Hey, you're in a video. Oh god, I can't spell. Hey, you're in my video. Oh no! Oh, this is what he said. I would have been like, what? All of you are. XD. This guy's being a chicken nugget, and I don't appreciate that. Okay, let's get back to what we were doing, and I'll come back to you when I get another trade. Are you into? Okay, I'm not even going to answer to that jammer right here. The camera cut out. Oh, look, see, we got a Royal Tiara. I don't think that's fair. I don't, here, let's see if they have any good, what? Okay, I want this. This is so cute. Will you take that? Oh. Okay. Okay, I don't care. Also, guys, I forgot to mention, one of the best things you can do is go to your settings and then go to a populated area. Because it's easier to get trades and stuff like that. Seriously, I'm back where I started? You gotta be kidding me. We're gonna go to this place. Wow, it's so full. Are people trading over here? No, look, this is... Oh my gosh, I don't want to enter any codes. I'm trying to click a button and my mouse is going crazy. Okay, here we go. More like this. Okay. So, trade me. I'm doing a challenge and recording. Oh, freaking, I hate my... trade me. I'm doing a challenge and recording because obviously I watch all your videos. Oh, looks like we got a YouTube here. YouTube, can I add you as a buddy? Oh my gosh, there's a YouTuber over here. I have no idea who the heck they are. Ah, haha, thank you. I'll be posting this week happily. Don't know who this is, but... Oh, maybe my buddy? Or is it her? I'm still waiting. Also, guys, go and subscribe. I don't know if I already told you, but go subscribe to Skywolfen. He's my best. Like, he's okay. He's like, I live with him and stuff. He's really cool. So I would go subscribe to him, and be nice and stuff like that. Does anyone have a thought? I was reading that! Oh my gosh, I hate it when people come over and then they just walk away. It's like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. I'm not getting any luck. But usually people come right here and then they trade me and I'm just like, boy! So, oh wow, look. That wasn't even fair. I wouldn't accept. Oh wow, look at this person. Oh, there's some flat crown. That's cool. Okay, let's go somewhere different because I don't think that this is helping. I am getting sick of the song. Let's go to watching. Okay. I'm sorry if you're watching this. I have to apologize. I don't like declining people. Let's go to watch. I don't know what that means, but I'm kind of nervous. Because let's go to watch sounds like a pretty suspicious way of acting. I don't know if it's just me, but I like posting Animal Jam videos. It makes me happy. Okay. Okay, people buddy me, and then they go to my den. Hey, I was just checking my buddies, and I come across, I have 666 buddies. That is kind of scary because it seems like the devil is always following me, and, yeah. So I'm sorry if you're watching this. The person I'm going to unbuddy is INJ. I have not talked to them. They are mean to me. Just kidding. I don't. Okay, 665. Okay, that's good. Okay. So yeah. Just gotta keep on trading until I get a spiked collar or something like that. Because if you guys didn't recall, there's a certain jammer. I don't know if they're still on my jammergrams, but a long time ago, there's this jammer. Like, not even a long time ago. They were actually pretty neat. Play well. So this is Horse 415 and they're kind of mean. No, not them. But I'm talking about the jammer that scammed me of my spikes. Actually, I had a bunch of them. And the Animal Jam name was Pack of Wolves. They're actually really mean. I don't think this is them, but it does look like them. And they were my buddy. They unbuddied me, I guess, because they thought I was rude. But, you know, honestly, I think that's a scammer. But they scammed me pretty big on all of my spiked collars. And I had, like, all of them. I literally only needed one. And now, I only have this. That's not a lot to comparing to what I had, but it is something, so I'm like grateful for that. But seriously, gemmers. Okay, let's see if any gemmers here would consider sparing a spike here. Okay, everybody's in confusion. Everybody. I even text my friend. She said she's in confusion. Everybody is in confusion. Are you a fusion? Okay, I'm really sorry. I want to put something out of the way. How can you remember a username that big? Rocker Chivery Cuter Rabbit Mom. Rocker Very Cuter Rabbit Mom. I'm gonna text them and say, hi, I am recording, and I ask, how do you remember your username? Okay, I'm pretty sure they've gotten a lot of things like that. Follow me, stop being secret animal, a flying animal. I don't know what they just said. But anyway, guys, that's basically what you do for this video. You basically just keep on trading and trading and trading, and in the next video, well, it's gonna be soon because I'm actually trying to fill my YouTube channel with some videos for you guys to watch. So, yeah, that's technically how you get free items. You just keep on trading. I'm gonna just stop you guys for a second until when I get a good trade. Alright, so this jammer now, this jammer right here, she just got a headdress, and that's like, what? I can't even get a headdress. I'm probably never gonna get a headdress in my entire life. Like, I'm probably never gonna get one. Like, I'm serious. This is sad because I want one, but, you know, don't get sad about it. You have a headdress and Spike. True. I'm recording, everyone. I like to say that because people know that they're being on camera, and if they don't like it, then they can go. Stuff like that, you know. Let's check Cool Cat's list. She has her headdress on trade. Let's ask her for what. Trying to get dark pink headdress by trading the get-longs. Anyone else want to gift me? Why would we want to gift you? No way. No, thank you. I'll keep my rares. Oh, I have one of those. Just see what's on the trade list. I'll think about it. Say hello to the viewers. Nah, I can't spell. You sent a jammogram! Okay, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Technically, you keep on doing that until you get a good item. Now, I'm just gonna have to keep the items I have and wait until I get beta enough. But I hope you do, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.